The clever parrot. One sunny afternoon, a man caught a plump pigeon in his backyard. Pleased with his catch, he locked the bird in a cage. His friend's parrot, a clever and talkative bird, saw everything. The next day, when the man wasn't looking, the parrot flew to the cage. "Psst, little pigeon," it whispered. "Peck the lock 3 times, it's weak." The pigeon obeyed and click, the cage door swung open. Just as the man shouted, but it was too late. The pigeon was free. The parrot chuckled. Smart birds stick together. From that day on, the man never caught another bird, at least not while the clever parrot was around. The end.